The 2013 Kia Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth, flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, anti-theft security system, four-wheel ABS, cruise control, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, side curtain airbag. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.